Welcome. If you've ever muted someone on X, formerly known as Twitter, and now want to review or manage your muted accounts, you're in the right place. In this updated guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to view your muted accounts directly from the X app. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your device. Once you're on the home screen, look to the top left corner and tap your profile icon. This icon usually displays your profile picture and is your gateway to all your account settings. Next, a menu will appear. From here, tap on Settings and Privacy. This section is where you can control everything from your account preferences to your privacy and safety settings. Now select Privacy and Safety. This area is dedicated to helping you manage who can interact with you and what you see on your timeline. Within the Privacy and Safety menu, find and tap on Mute and Block. This is the hub for all your muted and blocked content, making it easy to keep your feed tailored to your preferences. Finally, tap on Muted Accounts. Here, you'll see a complete list of every account you've muted. This list lets you review who you've chosen not to hear from, whether it's to keep your timeline focused, avoid spoilers, or just create a more peaceful experience on X. If you spot someone you want to unmute, simply tap their profile and adjust your settings. Or, if you're happy with your muted list, you can exit knowing your timeline is curated just the way you like it. That's it. With these quick steps, you can easily view and manage your muted accounts on X, helping you take full control of your social media experience. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy a more personalized feed on X today.